We're going to take a look at the Marbleslides activity on Desmos. Once you enter the code in, and make sure you're logged in with Google, you can see it'll have your name right up here also, so I can see your progress. You have two exponentials, so this top one is exponential growth, and you only see part of the graph here, it continues up. And this one is exponential decay coming down. Now if you click the launch, this purple ball is going to drop. A lot of purple balls are going to drop, and then it's falling down there because there's a little bit of a slope, and we just want to collect all of those stars. When you're ready to go to the next slide, click the next button right up here. Okay, now we want this purple ball right here, when it drops, to go through all of these, and if we click launch, you can see it drops through that one, no problem. So what I really need to do is I need to take this exponential and I need to move it way to the right so that it'll do that. And we can do that because then we, instead of x, we have x minus h. Minus is going to move it to the right. So let's try changing the 5 to a 10. There we go. It's a little bit further. How about a 15? If I launch right here, we'll see that you're getting 3 of them, which is pretty close. So I just need to move it a little bit further to the right. It'll reset. There we go. So let's change that to a 20. And now it's moving very slowly because right here the slope is very low. It's never 0 though. It gets closer and closer to the x-axis. Let's see here. Did it do it? It didn't really want to do that yet. So it needs to drop and hit a higher slope. So instead of 20, let's try backing this off to maybe 17. 18 might do it. Let's see how that works. There we go. And now it has enough speed to keep rolling. There we go. We got them all. Okay. Make sure you get that success before you click on to the next one. And if there's any slide that you can't, that's fine. Move on to the next one or email me, baddis@godfreylee.org, and we'll work through it. Thank you.